Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to check the posts that you've been liking or you've liked on Instagram from the past days. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Open your Instagram account that has been pre-installed on your device. As you see it, go to the bottom right to open the profile. And as you're at the profile page, click on the three lines at the top right. When you see this page, just go to settings. After that, click on the account tab. So from this section, you just have to scroll down a bit and go to the posts you've liked. When this section opens, you can directly see all the posts that you've been liking or that you've liked, and there are more and more. Like, you'll see all the posts that you've been liking from this tab. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you like the video or if the video is helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and also like and share the video. Thank you.